Hello, doers. My name is Jose Ignacio. We have some of the most amazing people on our team, so wouldn't it be kind of obvious to ask our current employees to help us find new candidates when a job position opens up? With Odoo's Referrals app, our employees can refer people they know and earn points as the referral moves through the recruitment pipeline. Our employees can then trade in those points for sweet rewards like mugs or gift cards. It's fun and rewarding for them, and we're able to find great talent. A referral program is beneficial for many reasons. Referral hires are more likely to align with the role, boosting retention. There's a higher probability there'll be a good culture fit, and employees will feel more invested in the company's growth. And finally, the cost per hire is lower with referrals than with traditional means of recruiting, like job fairs or job boards. The Referrals app makes it easy to keep track of all of our referrals and rewards in one place. So let's go see how that works. So here I am on my database in the Referrals application. I happen to be the hero, and my referrals that get hired show up on either side of my hero avatar, like we have Lori over here. So right below the avatars, I can actually see my total number of referrals right there, if any are currently in the interview process, and how many were hired. So up at the top next to my face, I can actually see the total number of points that I happen to have earned, and the number of points I have available to spend. As I earn points and I move up levels, I can actually watch my avatar change. If I click level up, I'm going to see my avatar change. Now my superhero looks even more super. So if I click view jobs at the bottom of the page, I can actually see all of Stealthy Wood's open positions that are currently published online on our jobs page. And I can share these positions through social media or by sending an email. Let's say I want to refer my friend John for marketing and community manager position via email, and that's the other key part. I'm going to enter his email address here, which is redacted YouTube. I can customize the email too, like adding John after the hello right there. And I'm going to send the mail right through the Referrals app. So once that I did that, now John will receive an email with a customized link to apply for the job. When he applies using that specific link, Odoo will automatically recognize I was the one who referred him. But now let's say that I happen to be an HR recruiter and I want to see how this integrates with our recruitment app. I'm going to go back over to our main dashboard and go to the recruitment app. So I can see that there are new applications for the marketing manager job. So let's take a closer look by clicking on one new application. I see John's initial application right there, and it's inside of our qualification stage. Let's click into that. So under referred by user here on the right, I could see my name, Jose, and how cool is that, Odooers? That makes it very easy. Now let's say all the interviews with John went really well and he accepted an offer. Awesome. He's accepted our offer, so let's move him through to the contract sign stage. So now switching back to my employee hat, which I'm going to put immediately back on. This is the employee hat. If we jump back into the Referrals app, I'll notice that my dashboard says that John has been hired. Yay me. Now notice that I can't pick an avatar that's already been assigned to another referral that was hired as well. So in our case, I'm going to choose a different one for John. Isn't he cool? Isn't this cool? And look at that. My team is growing. Okay. Now, since I was successfully able to recommend a new hire to my company, I've earned some points that I could spend on some sweet rewards. Let's look at the rewards I can choose from here at the bottom right that we have. Okay, if I want to, I can purchase, in our case, I can pick this mug for 250 points by clicking buy. So after I click OK to confirm the reward over here, whoever's responsible for this reward will get a notification that I ordered it so that they can get this mug over to me. Now, if I click back onto my dashboard, I'll notice that my 2 spends have now decreased by the exact amount of that mug. And isn't that useful? So now I'm going to put my HR admin hat again. Now, if I go over to rewards configuration menu by selecting configuration and rewards, I can see any recent activities like me earning this mug as well. I can also create new rewards for my employees, and I could edit existing ones. If I click on the mug, for example, I'll see a smart button that shows how many employees have been earned this. Interesting. If I wanted to, you'll also notice I can edit both the cost, photo, product name, person responsible as well, and the description. Stealthy Wood recently changed their mug design, so I'm going to update the photo. We can select it by hitting edit on the photo, and there we go with our nice little mug photo. Perfect. Now I want to show you another really cool feature, Odooers, and that is alerts. I'm going to go to the configuration subheading up at the top, and once that you're there, I can actually create alerts for my employees to let them know when my new jobs have been posted or if new rewards have been added. So once that we're inside of here, I'm going to create a new alert by selecting new. I can set the dates. The alert is visible right here for the date from. Let's select today's date at this point. I can then decide if the alert is just a message, which would not be clickable. I can also have the alert take us to a link, like all the jobs page or specific URL that I can specify. So for this alert, I'm going to share a new job. So let's choose go to all jobs and type in our alert message. And for the alert, I'm going to say something pretty basic. Let's just say new job posted right there. Now, if I click back to the dashboard, I can actually see there's the alert banner up at the top. And if I click on it, I'm taken over to the job listings. How awesome is that? Now, that actually concludes this video. The Referrals app elevates the hiring process and encourages your employees to help you meet your hiring goals by recommending top talent in exchange for some sweet treats. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Remember, never refer friends on an empty stomach. Go grab a snack.